Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Nung tayo po ay bata-bata pa, when we were younger, marami tayong mga na-meet. Paglaki natin, habang lumalaki tayo, many group of friends we have established along the way. Ang dami-dami nating barkada. Ako, meron akong high school barkada, youth group barkada, church barkada, college barkada, org mates, etc., etc. Marami tayong mga kaibigan nung bata pa tayo. But as we get older, we realize that friendship is not about quantity. It's about quality. Ngayon, we don't go out as much. We don't meet new people as much. But we treasure the ones that remained, those friends that remain with us through our ups and downs in life. Ito po yung mga kaibigan na we seldom see nowadays, but we do not mind. Because we know they have great responsibilities and they have different priorities now. Pero kapag nakita naman tayo, ay parang kahapon lang tayo hindi nagkita. Parang kahapon lang tayo nag-meet. Parang nothing has changed. These are the friends that we keep because we make each other better. And we have established a certain level of intimacy that really stood the test of time. Hindi lang mga kaibigan ang tawag natin sa kanila. We consider them as family. They are our support system. Today, we remember Jesus' closest friends, his support system, so to speak. The siblings Martha, Mary, and Lazarus. Kung natatandaan ninyo, before Jesus entered Jerusalem to face his greatest act of love, his greatest sacrifice for humanity, his passion, death, and resurrection, he stopped by first in the house of the siblings. Perhaps these are Jesus' last moments of companionship before the horrors that are to come. He stayed with his closest friends before he will be surrounded by those who would treat him as their greatest enemy. This was his deep breath before the plunge. They had this closeness, this intimacy with Jesus, the siblings. And the siblings did not waste what that meant. They were best friends with the Messiah. Not only with the Messiah, they were very intimate with God. My dear brothers and sisters, as Catholics, we have this closeness, this intimacy with God every Mass. Not only do we hear His Word, but we receive His body, blood, soul, and divinity in the Eucharist. Kung tutuusin, mas close tayo sa Diyos. He is our greatest support system. And He calls us our friends. He calls us friends. And let us not waste this relationship that God Himself established with us. He initiated this friendship. All we had to do is respond to this friendship. He suffered and died for all of us so that we no longer have to. That is His love for us. All He needs as our friend is our loyalty to Him as a friend. He needs our authenticity as a friend. And He needs our intimacy as a true friend. My dear brothers and sisters, here and now, we are so blessed to have Jesus as our best friend, as our support system, that He Himself will offer His entirety for us to be close to Him. As said in the book of Deuteronomy, "For what great nation is there that has gods so close to it as the Lord our God is to us whenever we call upon Him." Let us treasure this intimacy with God. Let us not waste this friendship. Saints Martha, Mary, and Lazarus, pray for us.